What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy B-Phil. We back again. You already know what to do. It's time to learn something new. Hey, check it out. If you're a newbie or if you're a power user, this is for you. We're going to talk about agent skills. I'm going to show you what they are and how you can use them today in 5 minutes. Let's get into it. So, first and foremost, for you power users, this is the GitHub repository we're going to be using. But let's take a step back. We're going a little bit too fast here. This is where it all started. Claude Code, agent skills. And so what are these exactly? Well, fortunately enough, Anthropic went ahead and made this an open standard. And so you can see here on the overview, it's a simple open format for giving agents new capabilities and expertise. Now, you might be asking what an agent is. It's these LLMs, large language models, in a loop. Boom, boom, boom. Now, we've gotten some very, very nice workflows from it. Hold on, before I do that, as y'all saw, I promise y'all 5 minutes. I'm sorry. You came in here. I'm gonna press the start button now, and we're gonna try and do this real quick. So, as you can see here in the overview, it's a simple open format for giving agents new capabilities and expertise. And all that really means is just files and folders that are going to tell these tools what they can actually do, right? So when we say something like, hey, do X, Y, and or Z, it'll know to use these skills with all of these pre-baked scripts, folders, files, or prompts. It's going to use all that good stuff, right? I said a lot of words there, right? A lot of words, B. Dang. So what does this look like exactly? Let's go ahead and go to Anthropic's official skill repository. We're going to go ahead and find the skill creator. And so inside of a particular skill, the most important part here is obviously the skill.md file, which is just a markdown file. For all the laymen out there, it's just a text file that has .md appended to it, right? And it has a specific format here at the top. These 3 lines, and in between them, we have the name of the skill. And this is the most important part, this description. So we see here, guide for creating effective skills. This skill should be used when users want to create a new skill or update an existing skill that extend Claude's capabilities with specialized knowledge workflows or tool integrations. Now, this can be ported across different agents, quote unquote. So Gemini CLI, this is an agent as well. They support agent skills. Factory Droid, they support agent skills. And of course, I showed you here, you can see there's a lot of adoption that's going on with this very simple structure. This allows you to get very efficient context, but we're not going to go into the nitty-gritty details. Let's just go ahead and show you how you can do this today. So we're going to go ahead for the newbies here. You can go ahead and go to Claude.ai, and you want to go to your settings here. In your settings, you want to click capabilities. In capabilities, we're going to scroll down. We're going to go to example skills, and we're going to see this skill creator. You're just going to go ahead and click this enable, right? This little dial here, or this little slider, and it's going to enable the skill creator. Now what we can do is go to a new chat, and we're going to say, hey Claude, create a extremely fun hello world skill, because we have the people watching and we want to welcome them into our world. So we're going to go ahead and kick that off, and we're going to see here that in a moment it's going to go ahead and create a fun and engaging skill. So it's going to read the skill creator guide, and it's going to go through something similar to this, right? The skill creator, which has this, and then of course these helper scripts, and it's going to be able to use these scripts in a particular way to create our skill. Now for you power users, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and go to this GitHub here, Anthropics/skills. I want you to clone this repo. So go here to the code, click that copy button. And if you're a slight newbie as well, I encourage you just to open up your terminal and try this along with me. Don't be scared. You can build a lot of things now. I believe in you. You got this. So we're going to go git clone, and boom. So you're going to copy and paste that link, and then it's going to go ahead and clone that skills directory. From here, we're going to do cp-r, which is just copy and go through the folder and copy everything somewhere. So where do we want to copy it? Well, or excuse me, what do we want to copy? So we're going to say skills, and skill creator. And where do we want to copy it? Well, we do the squiggly line for our home directory /.claude. This is where all the good stuff is, where all the magic stuff happens. And we're gonna copy it to the skills subfolder. Boom. Once you copy that, we're gonna go ahead and open up Claude, and we're just gonna copy this cool prompt here, and we're gonna have Claude work on this in the terminal as well. So we're gonna paste this. Hey Claude, create an extremely fun hello world skill because we have people watching and we want to welcome them all into our world. Boom. Okay, we got about 34 seconds. And what we'll see here is here on the desktop application, or excuse me, the browser, Claude.ai, it's going to go ahead and create this, and hopefully we get this. Yeah, boom. Oh my goodness, it's done. So what you can do here is you can copy to your skills, and once it copies to our skills, we can go here. We got 7 seconds, y'all. Hopefully you getting some value from this. You can go to your capabilities and you'll see here, hello world skill. Now that's skills, agent skills in 5 minutes. But this is a little bonus. We're going to go ahead and use this skill. So we're going to say, hey, Claude, use that hello world skill to welcome everyone here. And so we're going to tell it to use it. And, you know, I didn't type hello. You know, my typing skills are not the greatest. So it's going to read that particular skill. And it's going to say hello world. And so what I really want to get to, or the point I want to get across to you all here, is you can build very complex workflows. So whether it be creating PowerPoint presentations, which you can find in Anthropic skill library, Excel spreadsheets, doing complex calculations, all the way to creating applications in an orchestrated fashion. You can do all of this with Claude skills or agent skills now today. And so you can see here, behold, welcome, the chosen one enters. Good afternoon, amazing human. Fun fact of the moment, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Isn't that's actually an interesting fact. I honestly didn't know that. If that's the truth and Claude's not hallucinating, hey, more power to you. So hopefully you got some value from this video. Go ahead and hit the comment section. Let me know what else you want to see, right? I'm going to try and do these 5-minute videos. We're going to try and stay within 5 minutes, but it's not always going to be perfect. We're going to try though. If you want to see long form videos, let me know. Hit that like, subscribe, do all that good stuff if you want to. Hit the dislike if you didn't like it so I get that good feedback and make the stuff better for you so I can help the world. And, you know, as always, just go out there and build something. You got all the power. It's your boy B-Phil. I'm out. Peace.